In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a message in Asana. To get started, open Asana and go to the team or project where you want to communicate with people. On the left-hand sidebar, look for the Messages tab underneath that specific team or project and click into it. This is where conversations and updates related to that area can be created and viewed, so it's the right place to send a focused message to the people involved. Once you're inside the Messages section, start a new message by clicking Send Message. In some versions of the workspace, you may also see a Create button with a plus icon in the top bar. If that's what appears on your screen, click it, and then choose Message from the menu. Both options take you to the same place, so you can use whichever one is available in your layout. After the message window opens, begin filling in the details. First, type in your recipients so the right people receive the update. Then add a clear subject line. A good subject helps people immediately understand what the message is about before they even open it. After that, write your message in the body area. Keep your wording direct and easy to scan, especially if you're sharing an update, a request, or important information that others need to act on. Since this message will appear in Asana, it's helpful to be concise while still including enough context for your team members to understand the purpose of your note. Before sending, take a quick moment to review what you wrote. Make sure your recipients are correct, your subject line is specific, and your message says exactly what you want it to say. This small check can help avoid confusion and makes your communication more effective. When everything looks good, click Send. As soon as you do, the message will be delivered to the selected members through their Asana inbox, helping ensure they're notified inside the platform. This is a simple and effective way to share updates, coordinate with teammates, or keep communication tied to a specific team or project space. And that's it. That's how to send a message in Asana quickly and clearly.